Hello and welcome to our training course for how to put out a fire using a fire extinguisher. My name is Crystal and I am going to be your instructor through this course. Before we get started, there is some information that you will need to know about the products you will need in order to take this course. Most important, you will need a fire extinguisher that is in good working order. Also, you will need about 30 minutes of free time without being interrupted. Remember, with fire, it's always smart to follow the rules. Well, with that being said, let's get started. Before we begin the lesson, let's go over our objectives that we will learn over the course. Our first objective is safety guidelines when using a fire extinguisher. Second, identifying fire extinguishers. Third, how to inspect fire extinguishers. And finally, proper operation techniques. Safety factors that need to be considered before operating a fire extinguisher. Does the building need to be evacuated? Is the fire no bigger than a pan or trash can? Have you called 911? Is there a clear path for you to exit? What type of extinguisher matches the type of fire you have? What class of extinguisher is right for you? Class A is ordinary combustibles, such as paper, wood, or cloth. Class B is flammable liquids, such as oil, gas, or paint. Class C is electrical equipment, such as wiring or appliances. Finally, Class D is combustible metals, such as magnesium or potassium. These are found more in an industrial type setting. It is very important for fire extinguisher maintenance to be checked regularly. Check your extinguisher every month. Make sure there is not any damage to it. If so, replace it. Check the pressure gauge to make sure there is adequate charge. If it is not charged adequately, go and get it charged so that it is filled properly. Remember to use the PASS method when using a fire extinguisher. P. Pull the pin from the extinguisher. A. Aim the extinguisher where you want the expellant to go. S. Squeeze the handle on the extinguisher. S. Sweep side to side. When using your extinguisher, you want to make sure you are in the correct position. Typically, you will want to stand 6 to 8 feet away from the fire. Your back should be to an unblocked exit, and you should perform burst tests to see if the extinguisher works adequately. At this point, you will want to watch for reignition. Fire extinguishers are designed for small fires. If the fire can't be extinguished with one extinguisher, don't try another. When in doubt, get out, and stay out. Call the professionals and leave the big fires to the firefighters. I hope this class has been informational and taught you the basics of fire extinguishers. Have a great day and be safe out there.